This is a tutorial video for long pulsed laser. Insert the articulated arm into the back of the machine. Twist the handle to adjust the angle of the articulated arm. Install the handpiece holder with a screwdriver. Secure the fiber to the articulated arm, and ensure the fiber is not twisted or bent. Connect the cables into the ports. If you are using the same model with a different configuration, the details might be different. Remove the protective cap from the fiber cable first, then insert and screw it into the machine. The details might be different, for example, without cryogen cooling. After assembling the machine, fill the water tank. Ensure the tank is fully filled with distilled water. Insert a tube into the overflow port. You should hear a click. Connect the other end to a container. Take the tube with the funnel and insert it into the inlet port. You should also hear a click. Begin pouring water into the funnel. Hold the funnel higher than the inlet port and start adding water. Watch closely to know when to stop. Stop adding water. Water flowing out from the overflow. Once the water stops dripping, you can remove the tubes by pressing here. Connect the power cord. Turn on the power switch. If you turn on the machine for the first time, rotate the emergency button to release it. Select the working mode based on the patient's skin type. If the patient has P-prone skin or skin type 4, V, or VI, it is more effective to use YAG mode. If your patient has light skin, then it is ALEX mode. Insert the spot size lens. Ensure the lens is fully inserted in the handpiece, and then attach the distance gauge. Test the laser on a black surface, such as a magazine, paper, or test material. Adjust the settings. Tap here to get ready. This button is the laser trigger. Pressing it fires the laser immediately. The first treatment we will perform is hair removal on the upper lip. Shave the area 12 to 24 hours before treatment. Start with lower energy for safety. This setting is the pulse width. It controls the laser pulse duration. Frequency controls how fast the laser fires. If you are treating a small area, it is better to switch to 0.5 Hz. Turn on the aiming beam. Tap here when you are ready to treat. Adjust the spot size based on the area. Ensure all people in the room are wearing eye protection, and tap ready when you are about to perform the treatment. The first shot is for testing. Replace the water every 30 days. Disconnect the power. Place a container near the machine. And insert the water tube into the outlet. Make sure you hear a click. If you notice no water draining out, you may insert another tube into the overflow. When you notice no more water draining from the machine, remove the tube by pressing here. And then you can add fresh water.